In this lesson, you'll learn how to configure your BookMe settings. The BookMe settings page allows you to customize how your clients will make an online booking and which options will be available to them. To access your BookMe settings, log into your Smart System console and click on the BookMe settings tile. On the right-hand side, select the site you wish to edit. In the Site Groups field, enter the group name. This will be displayed on the site selection page if you have more than one site. The earliest booking allowed is the minimum number of days in advance a client can make an online booking. Enter the latest booking allowed. This is how far into the future a client can make an online booking. The latest cancellation allowed is how close to the appointment a client is allowed to cancel their appointment online. The booking change allowed determines how close to the appointment a client is allowed to make changes to their appointment online. If you want shortcuts to calculate the most efficient time slot for an online booking based on the employee's booking interval, enter your minimum efficiency percentage. Enter the maximum number of appointment options that will be displayed when a client is choosing their appointment time. Then choose the maximum number of options to be displayed when a client is booking a special. Enter the number of days into the future that online booking will search for availabilities subsequent to the on or after date the client has chosen. If you want services to be booked in a certain order, select a sequence number for each service category to determine the booking order. For example, if you want hair coloring services to be booked before haircuts, you can select 1 for hair coloring and 2 for haircuts. This way, services will always be booked in the correct order, regardless of which order the client selects them in. If you're using Google Analytics and AdWords, enter your details into these fields. Allow email booking requests enables clients to send appointment requests via email if they're unable to find an availability based on their search. Tick this box if you want service prices to be displayed in BookMe. Note that these will be displayed next to individual employees and take into account any employee-level pricing that you've set up in Shortcuts. If Capture Credit Card Details is ticked, then clients will need to enter their credit card details when confirming the booking. These details are for verification only and will not be stored. Tick this box if you want to reject credit cards that will be expired by the appointment date. If this option is ticked, clients will receive a confirmation email when they book online. Tick this box to display service durations. If you choose to restrict bookings to one employee, then clients will be unable to book multiple employees within the same appointment. Tick this option if you want to allow clients to cancel their appointments through BookMe. If this option is ticked, clients will be able to rebook past appointments and reschedule future appointments regardless of whether that service is still available for online booking. Here you can select a tag from your available Shortcuts tags that will be displayed for online bookings on your appointment book. Choose which options will be available to clients when they select an employee. If individual is ticked, then each employee's name will be displayed. At the bottom of the page, we have our BookMe site page content. This is the same as your BookMe global page content, which is set up in your company settings. Any text inputted here will apply instead of the global content for this specific site. Once you're finished making changes, press Save. If you wish to copy these settings to another site, click Copy Settings. Choose the site you wish to copy settings from. Then select which applications you want to copy settings for. Tick this box if you also want to copy gallery images from the source site. Note that these will override any existing gallery images. Select the sites you wish to copy to. Then press Copy Settings. Now that you know how to configure your BookMe settings, you can customize your online booking to suit your business.